So here, I'll detail how to change power button to Google Assistant. So if you press the power button in your Android phone for like 5 seconds, and this does not wake the Google Assistant, then this video is going to show you how you can easily change the power button to wake Google Assistant on your Android. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. And just go ahead, press the power button on your phone. What's time today?
It is currently 6:38 a.m. WAT.
You see that? Now, to enable this on your Android, all you just need to go ahead and open the Android phone settings. Then, on the settings page, you need to scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to additional settings or additional features. Then here, locate accessibility, and under accessibility, locate gesture shortcuts. However, due to different in Android phone setup, one on the settings page, just come here, click on this search settings, and search for Google Assistant. So once you search for Google Assistant, you'll see this menu comes up here. Then there's a menu called Launch Google Assistant. Then you want to click on that. And that's going to take you straight to where you can use the power button to launch the Google Assistant. So in this case, if press and hold the power button for about 0.5 seconds is disabled, that shows you cannot power on Google Assistant by pressing and holding the power button. See that? So instead, it's going to pop the option to either restart or turn off your Android. Now, to change power button to Google Assistant on your Android, you just need to go ahead and turn this on. Now, once that is turned on, press and hold the power button. Then you should see the Google Assistant wake.
I haven't personally seen Google Assistant work in the sense.
So you see that? So that is basically how to change power button to Google Assistant. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.